वालेकुम। वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। चलते हैं आज के नेक्स्ट वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग एपिसोड की तरफ। जैसे कि आप लोगों को आइडिया है कि हम जर्नलिज्म पे डिस्कस कर रहे हैं, तो आज हमारा टॉपिक है जर्नलिज्म एज अ करियर। कोई भी एक स्टूडेंट है, उसने जर्नलिज्म को चूज़ कर लिया है, तो नेक्स्ट उसने क्या क्या चीज़ें फेस करनी है, क्या क्या सब्जेक्ट्स पढ़ने हैं, किस तरह काम करना है, वो सारा हम आज के एपिसोड में डिस्कस करेंगे। Journalists use their writing, photography, and video skills to cover important events. They work in media organizations at all levels, from local newspaper to national network television channels. Journalism careers also include marketing, communications, and public information roles. Journalism degrees help learners develop writing abilities, interviewing skills, and research competencies. Read on to learn how these vital skills prepare journalism graduates for different career paths. You can also find information about different degrees, salary potential, continuing education, resources, and professional organization as well. Why pursue a career in journalism? Curiosity is the foundation for successful journalists. Curiosity helps journalists to identify interesting reporting projects and ask questions that inform readers and viewers. Journalism degrees supplement students' natural curiosity with research, interview, and writing skills. Careers in journalism require the ability to talk to diverse individuals to gather information and multiple perspectives. Reporters then shared that information, adhering to a code of ethics built on honesty and maintaining the public's trust. As media companies provide breaking news and adhere to strict publishing timelines, journalists also need to work well on a deadline. While journalism students once specialized in writing a broadcast, today's journalism programs incorporate both of these skills in order to enhance traditional and emerging media channels. Journalism Career Outlook. The Bureau of Labor Statistics (BLS) projects a 11% decline in the employment of reporters, correspondents, and broadcast news analysts between 2019 and 2029. This decline hinges on changes in business models and advertising revenue as media companies transition to digital publishing ventures. According to BLS, reporters earn a median annual salary of $46,270. New journalists will face stiff competition for journalism career. Experience in the field through student media and internships can provide an edge in the job market. A journalism degree prepares graduates for other career opportunities, several of which are projected to experience positive employment growth. For example, the BLS projects 7% job growth of public relation specialists between 2019 and 2029. Here is the table of average annual salary for journalism careers. Journalists, reporters, editors, and public relation managers. Skill gain with a journalism degree. Earning a journalism degree teaches learns a variety of skills and competencies, preparing them to excel in industry. In the classroom, students learn to interview subjects, conduct research, and outline stories. Learners can also take advantages of internships to work in practical settings as well as participate in journalism club and organizations to gain more experience. Journalism career paths. Journalism concentrations can help students prepare for a specific career path. The specializations discussed below give degree seekers a sense of what to expect, but students should check with individual schools to learn more about specific offerings. This is all from my side in today's episode, which is all about journalism as a career. Hope so you people enjoy the today's episode. Inshallah, I'll be meeting you in the next episode with the next very interesting topic about journalism. Till that, take care and Allah Hafiz.